Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by laying out the blazer pattern on the fabric, aligning nap and grain so seams hang correctly. Cut with 1/2 seam allowances where noted and mark darts, notches, and button placement. Fuse interfacing to front facings and collar pieces. This stabilizes shape and prevents sagging. Once done, base the canvas to the front for chest structure. Make sure to transfer all pattern marks. Accurate placement now saves major fit work later. You now assemble the main structure. Sew shoulder seams and secure the collar to the collar stand, pressing seams toward the stand to keep edges sharp. Next, set each sleeve with easing stitches at the cap so fabric forms a smooth crown. Align notches and pin before stitching. Once sleeves are in, close side seams in a continuous line to maintain grain. Make sure to grade seam allowances and clip curves so the blazer turns crisply and the sleeve hangs naturally. You finish by attaching the lining and undersewing it to the front facings so it stays hidden. This prevents pulling. Hem sleeves and jacket body to the measured lengths, then add buttonholes and sew buttons with shanks for ease. Press the entire blazer carefully. Steam the canvas and set seams on a sleeve board for crispness. If you see puckering at sleeves or collar, remove stitching in that area, regrade allowances or ease stitches, then restitch. This corrects tension and alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.